Hello, bebecitas, and welcome to this beautiful channel. My name is Luz. Before we begin, I want to thank you for taking a moment of your time to receive words of inspiration, some moments of reflection, and hopefully some encouragement to get you through your day. Now, take a deep breath, open your heart, and allow this message to reach your soul. Are you ready? Let's begin. It's important that we all take some time to reflect. Creating a space in our busy schedules to dream up new plans, envision our future, and discover our true purpose on this earth can be very beneficial. It's so easy to get caught up on the day-to-day activities that we forget to listen to our inner voice. By allowing ourselves some time and space to meditate, journal, or visualize, it can help us find our true calling. We need to give ourselves permission to search deep within our soul and to find the way. It's imperative that we don't just stay in that dreamer phase. Just like the butterfly goes inward into its cocoon and in due moment spreads its wings and flies, we too must take the necessary steps to get to where we want to be. We must envision our goals and determine what the next course of action is, then stick to a plan and focus. In reality, having a plan is half the battle because it is through the effort that follows upon the dreams that we give ourselves our reward. It is through consistency, dedication, and commitment that we can reach our goals. This is where it might get tough because it can get boring and repetitive. This is where many give up. The household chores and other responsibilities and obligations can pull us away. We might begin to feel tired and want to call it quits, but we must keep at it to eventually see success. Little by little, we will be closer to finally accomplishing that goal or reaching our purpose and get that sense of wholeness and completion. Everything will come together by doing the right thing, and we will achieve what we have envisioned. When we get there, we must take time to honor our achievements and celebrate our successes, no matter how small. We can tune into the spiritual lessons we learned along the way because what we went through has only made us stronger, wiser, and more experienced. We can express our gratitude for what we have created and harvested by celebrating the journey. Remember, bebecitas, take care of yourselves. I love you and stay blessed. Bye.